If you think AI videos still look fake, glitchy, or inconsistent, you have not seen Kling 3.0 yet, guys. Today, I'm showing you a full workflow inside Higgsfield AI, where I use Kling 3.0 to generate cinematic, multi-shot AI videos with character consistency, camera movement, and even built-in audio. This is honestly one of the most advanced AI tools I've ever tested. Welcome back, creators. If you're into AI videos, content creation, or filmmaking, okay, with AI tools, you're going to love Kling 3.0. Today, we are inside Higgsfield, okay, a creator-focused AI platform where we'll be testing their newest engine, okay, which is Kling 3.0. Kling 3.0 is actually designed to turn scripts, images, references, and audios into structured cinematic sequence, not just random clips, okay? Let's jump right into the workflow. Let's enter Higgsfield website. Right now, I am on the Higgsfield AI website. Everything works directly inside the Higgsfield browser. There is no app, okay? No app is needed, okay? I'm going to start a new project and select Kling 3.0 as the video model, okay? What makes this different from other AI video tools is that Kling 3.0 works on as a unified multimodal system. This actually makes it understand text, images, motion, and audio all together. Now, let's enter prompt describing a short cinematic scene. So I'm going to enter a prompt that I've already prepared, and we're going to see the what Kling 3.0 is going to do to the prompt, okay? What it does is incredible. Instead of making just one flat clip, it can generate multi-shot sequence in one run, okay? What that means it automatically handles camera angles, transitions, subject focus, and shot flow. So your story feels like real filmmaking. Another thing it does is character and element consistency. One of the big problems with AI videos that we all creators know is that when you is character inconsistency, okay, so with AI videos used to be character change face on object morphs randomly, but Kling 3.0 fixes that with enhanced element consistency. Your main character, object, and environment stays consistent even when the camera moves, zooms, or changes angles. This makes it perfect for storytelling, ads, and short films, okay? Another major upgrade is native audio. This one is actually so beautiful because it gives you native audios and also dialogues. Kling 3.0 can actually generate dialogue inside the model with natural links. About using Kling 3.0 to generate a cinematic scene, okay? A multi-cinematic scene. So all I have to do now is to paste my prompt here. So there's a prompt I've already gotten from chat. So I'm going to paste the prompt here. So after pasting the prompt, you see the option here for your the voice, the volume. You see the option here for the volume to be on, and you are also going to see you can actually turn the volume off if you don't want it to be on, okay, but I want mine to be on. We also have elements, okay. You can actually create your element is a set of images of one character or object that keeps it look consistent across the whole video. So you can actually post your element there, okay. So our model is Kling 3.0. You can actually select the duration, okay. You can extend the duration to up to 15 seconds. but I'm gonna reduce it to like 9 seconds, okay? And the resolution, we are going for 1080p, okay? Aspect ratio, we, since it's actually for a YouTube video, we are going to leave it at 16.9, okay? You can actually, if it's a short that you are creating, you can actually leave it at 9 by 16, but we are going for a YouTube video, okay? So after making sure that all your settings are in place, after making sure that all your settings are in place, all you have to do is to click on generate. The link in my description. You can also find the link in my comments. Guys, do well to find it out, because this one is actually, when I came across this, it actually blew my mind up. Okay, you'll find a full user guide with prompt tips. So if this video helped you understand AI videos better, do also like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye for now.